Hi everyone! I want to share with you, I'm planning on doing a September Whole30, but I'm going to up my challenge a little bit. I'm going to only eat what's prepped in my kitchen for 30 days and keep track of how much it costs me, because today the grocery costs are out of this world, and I want to show you how eating at home, eating healthy for a month can change your life. For those who don't know me, my name is Adrienne, and this is my channel, Pause and Write It Down. My channel is my way of spreading positivity. I find focusing on the positive things in my life help me to strive to be my best. And I want you to do the same. But you can't tell people what to do. You can't tell people what to eat and drink as well. There's a quote that I learned when I started my channel that says, "You can't heal the people you love. You can't make choices for them. You can't rescue them. You can promise that they won't journey alone. You can loan them your map, but this trip is theirs." I've noticed people in my life struggling with their health and food costs. I want to help others improve their health, and by showing them how I improve mine by doing the Whole30 challenge. This elimination diet changed my life, and I'm going to show you how by sharing with you my journey, lend you my map. Whenever I get the feeling of being sluggish, bloated, my skin gets itchy and my rashes start to act up, my joints get sore and stiff, and I need mental clarity, you need to take care of this in order to take care of all of that. This is when I decide that I need to do a Whole30. I've been doing them on and off since 2016, and I have only good things to say about this elimination diet. What is the Whole30? The rules are no sugar or artificial sweeteners, no alcohol, no grains, no legumes including rice and corn, no dairy, no carnitine or sulfites or additives, no fake treats, no measuring or weighing yourself. Remember, you're focusing on non-scale victories, so you're not weighing yourself. You should be focusing on how you feel, not what that number is. So basically, you're just eating whole foods. You're eating meat, seafood, eggs, vegetables, fruit, and natural fats for 30 days to see what foods you have intolerances to. You can still have sugar-free bacon. You can still have crispy potatoes. I love to make homemade coconut creamer for my coffee because I need my creamy coffee every morning. This isn't hard. It's really only 30 days and it's not forever. Please know that I am not a healthcare professional and I'm just wanting to share my experience with you. If you make any changes to your diet, please talk to your healthcare professional. Why am I doing this? I can literally talk about this for days because it makes me feel like $1,000,000. But I know your time is valuable, so I'm going to make it short and sweet. It's an elimination diet designed to help you identify food sensitivities, create new healthy habits, and focus on non-scale victories. Also, an online community to help you through this challenge. Right now, they're doing a September Whole30, which starts on September 4th, 2023. So you have other people in a community that can help you go through this challenge. If you want more info, you can check out the website whole30.com for any other information if you're interested in looking into it yourself, or if you have any questions, please comment below. These are the things I see improvement on when I do the Whole30. A win-win, not to mention the amazing trips to the bathroom. Go ahead, hit that pause button and write it down. Why would I put myself through this torture for 30 days? Like, who doesn't love bread? Who doesn't love cheese? Because it's how I feel when I'm done this. I just feel so amazing. I have mental clarity. I have never felt better in my life eating like this. Everything is dialed in. I sleep better. I think clearer. I have endless energy. And the bathroom trips, I tell you, amazing. Today is my day before start my Whole30 this round, and I need to prep for success. So I pause and I write it down. Make a couple things to make sure that I'm in line. I make my coffee cream. I make bone broth for soup. I make some chia puddings for breakfast, and eat the things that I might miss, like Cheddar Bay biscuits. How could you not want those? I actually had too many chips last night and wasn't feeling very good this morning, so I know I'm ready for this reset. I'm also gonna keep a spreadsheet ready to keep track of costs and what I eat and drink for the next 30 days. Write things down on my whiteboards for meal prep and grocery lists. What do I eat when I do a Whole30? All sorts of yummy stuff. For breakfast, some of my favorites are chia pudding with nuts and fruit, eggs with sugar-free bacon and hash browns, Lunch, I'll usually have a protein salad, like a chicken salad, tuna salad, egg salad, potato salad with cut up fruits and veggies or leftovers from the night before. For dinner, my family loves to have zapascana, dill pickle chicken wings with a salad, Big Mac salad, roasted chicken, roast, stew, shepherd's pie. I could go on and on and on of all the yummy goodness that I eat when I'm on this. And it's all from my own kitchen, so I know exactly what's in it. I'll share some of these recipes and tips, like cutting up veggies ahead of time, so when you want them, you just gotta take them out of the fridge. I'll put them on YouTube Shorts. So at the end of 30 days, I'll post my results of how I feel, how I look, and how much it cost me to eat for an entire month. This Whole30 means so much to me that this is what I wanted to start my YouTube channel with. I actually tried making a series of videos when I first started. I had to take them down because they are too long, and I looked back at them and I was even losing interest. So this is kind of my redo. The Whole30 is something positive in my life. The results of my first video series were amazing. I spent a total of $343.44 Canadian to eat for 30 days, which is an average of $11.45 per day to eat from my home. This was in May 2022, so I'm kind of curious what the change would be in September 2023. I'm starting this tomorrow, September 4th, and I'll keep track of everything in a spreadsheet and share it with you at the end of my 30 days. With grocery costs right now, I know everyone is trying to save money. If I don't ask, you don't know. Your support is appreciated, and I'm trying to build my channel. So please hit the subscribe button, ask me a question. I'm here to help. That's what I love to do, is to help others and focus on the good things in life. If the entire world could focus on the positive, wouldn't the world be a better place? Thanks for watching.